Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. And in today's video I'm going to be taking you through how you can be able to sell your cryptocurrency on Binance exchange, and then be able to avoid scams or frauds in the P2P market. So without further ado, let me go ahead and then open my Binance and then show you everything with detailed explanation step by step. So you could see over here I'm having $35 in my account, and then for us to be able to sell this and then receive in our local currency, you have to click on the P2P button over here, and then that will take us to the P2P marketplace. Now on this P2P marketplace, I want you to switch this over from buy to sell, and then once you on the sales page, you can either do further filtrations and then select the withdrawal method that you want to use to receive the coins. So I'm going to be changing the payment method to Telecel Cash, since that's what I'm going to be using in this video. And then once you're done with everything, you browse through the current offers or the ads, and then find the best one that fits you. So right now, if you want to find the best ad and then avoid scam, there are certain details or certain things you need to check first before you go into this. So the first one being the total amount of trade the person or the agent have taken, which needs to be a high one, not a low one. And then the like percentage, it also needs to be a high one. And then the rating, you need to check the rating or exchange rate of the buyer or the agent, and then also the available balance that is currently on the buyer's account. You need to check those things very well before you choose the right person. So over here you can see that we have a lot of different offers over here. So I'm going to be selling 35 USDT, which is equivalent to like 300 or 400 cedis. So I'm going to be selecting the second one over here, which has a total likings of 99.53%, which is a good one, and then total trades taken of 5,838, and then the limit is within our reach, which is 300. So I'm going to be selecting the second person over here, and then click on sell. So once you click on sell, you'll be redirected to this page over here, and then on this page you can either choose to sell by USDT, or you can either choose to type in the amount that you want to sell in dollars or USDT or in Ghana cedis or your local currency. So right now I'm going to be selecting USDT, and then the withdrawal amount I'm going to select all, and then that is going to give us a total of 408 cedis minus the fees that will be implemented. So once you check everything and then see that it is what you want, I want you to click on place order, and then this is going to lock the money that is in your Binance account, and then give time for the trader or the agent to send the money to your wallet before you approve or release the token or crypto. But after the person release the payment for you, make sure to wait for at least a minute or two, or even at least 5 minutes before you release the crypto to the agent or seller, because they can pull a reversal on your account anytime that you want. That is if the trader is a scammer or not friendly. So you need to wait for some time before you release the crypto, even after receiving the payment in your account. So right now we are going to give this some time for it to send the payment to our account, which is 408 cedis, and the amount need to be exactly the same before we can be able to release the token to the buyer or the agent. So let's give it some time. Okay, so it have been marked as my order have been paid, but the payment is not yet received. So we still need to wait for the payment to drop in our mobile money or mobile wallet account before we proceed on with releasing of the payment. Okay, our payments have arrived into our Telecel Cash or Telecel wallet, which you can see over here. We have successfully received the payment. payment, which is 408 cedis. So now let's wait for at least a minute or two, or even more than that, before we release the crypto to the person, just in case of reversal on your account. Okay, so when the time is up, I want you to click on the payment received button down here, and then from the this pop-up options, I want you to select I have verified that the payment of 408 cedis have been received from Amospra, and then click on confirm release. So it will take you to the next page to do some security checks before you can be able to proceed on with releasing the crypto, which I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to get my Google Authenticator code and then approve this transaction. So let's press that over here and then wait for this to be approved. So once you are done with everything, you receive this confirmation message or page over here saying that you have successfully sold your token for this amount of money. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like it, and then also subscribe to the channel to support the growth. And then also, if you face any kind of issues during this process, make sure to write it in the comment section. I'll do my very best to attend to each and every single one of them. Thanks for watching once again. Bye.